Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. As the winter's approaching, and we're certainly in autumn now, we want to do a little bit of extra camping. And it's that time of year, it just get a little bit chilly in your van, no matter how many blankets or duvets or hot water bottles you have with you. So what we've done, we've purchased a diesel heater, but a portable one. Now you will have seen, if you watch the early videos, that Pete's got in his van, he's already got one of the diesel heaters fitted into his van. That's in his van tour. You can go and have a look at that in one of the videos. But for now, we're going to have a look and see what this portable heater is. They come in about £100 now, give or take. How much was this one, Peter? Was it 98?
108.
108, so it's £108. It's a portable air heater, works off diesel. So we're going to take it apart, unbox it all, see what we've got in the box, and then we'll give it a go and see how warm it gets. So, this is all the kit you get with it. There's the instructions, obviously. There's a little remote, it works off a remote. 2 pipes, 3 pipes, and looks like a little catalytic converter. That is a little exhaust, yeah. You're fixing big Jubilee clips. And this is the bit of kit itself. It's quite light actually, considering. So, what with the the diesel go in there. Yeah. Small tank on the top there. Bring that in and have a look. That's where the your diesel will fit. And on the back, fitting for your power supply on there, positive and negative. Okay. On the side, have a look at these clips. 4 clips either side. So the main cover's off, and inside is your diesel tank, and that obviously looks like it holds quite a bit of decent fuel amount in there. So,
how many litres?
Good question. How many litres?
We'll tell you later in the video.
Yeah, we'll find out exactly how many litres it holds. So this is one of the extending pipes. We'll pull it 2 if you don't need to at the moment, but that will stretch out. That, if you're going to fit it somewhere in your van and you want to put that into the floor, you can do. It's got some securing holes in there. This then bit, the Jubilee clips will go on here to secure it onto, so that your exhaust, the hot air will come out of there. The exhaust fumes will come out underneath. So we're not going to put it on Jubilee clip it just yet. We'll show you the exhaust pipes underneath. So I don't know if you want to zoom in on there and have a look. That's the underside. These are where your pipes are going to come out, your exhaust pipes to vent it all. Because obviously you've got your main heater actually underneath the fuel tank here. It'll blow out. So I'll say the underside of it is where you need to put the pipes in.
There, so you can say hardware. And we just put them on now roughly, and then just to get it like that and fire it up, isn't it?
So this pipe attaches on there. Obviously you'll have a Jubilee clip on. That's to get some fresh air in. Well, in fact, it'll go through there. And what you will have done, or you should have done, if you're mounting it in your van, is you'll need to drill through the floor of your van. This pipe might not be long enough, because again, this will have to go outside and underneath. You might need to buy an extension for this. I think, Pete, you did for yours, didn't you, initial one? Well, that will, if you imagine that's now stood up, this will be out underneath the floor of your van. Obviously, you've got all your fixing clips, everything there. Jubilee clips, make sure it's all nice and secure. Just to test it and get it running, and now we'll put the exhaust on the bottom there, on the outlet pipe. Run the silencer off it, and this is just to test it. I think it takes about 4 litres in there in the tank, which will put some diesel in. That's the control panel. For now, to test it, just wired it up to spare battery just to give it the 12 volt, and we've got the remote for it. Let's see that's coming on. Right, so we've got this going. That's your on button. We've held the top and the bottom one together to pull the diesel through, and press the on off button, and you can see now on the screen there that the fan's going round, and a few exhaust fumes coming out there. You can feel at the moment that's quite cool, so it's obviously something's coming through. It'll take a moment to heat up. As you can see there now, a little bit of exhaust fumes coming out there, it's just burning off.
That's the injector.
Because I don't know if you can hear, it's started to kick in now. There's warm exhaust fumes coming out of there, and that's just starting from cool air. Turned it up to the full H06 as it recommends. You can hear it starting to kick in. The one thing you must do is make sure you read the manual properly, thoroughly, before installing this into your van or whichever vehicle. As you can see here, it says the fixing plate must be sealed with automobile sheet metal to prevent the exhaust from entering the cab and causing harm to drivers and passengers. Exhaust pipe length, exhaust outlet, exhaust pipes not allowed moving direction of traffic. So it's well worth having a good look and reading properly. Make sure you read the manual. Also, once you've got it fitted, if you haven't got one already in your van, get a carbon monoxide alarm. Definitely worth it. Could save your life should anything go wrong. That is actually blowing quite warm now. I don't know if you can hear it. We'll just see if we can use this old temperature gauge. An old style thermometer. Leave that there for a few minutes. But that is actually blowing nice and warm. Let's see what that comes up. What we're on at the moment. It's cold in the garage here. See what that warms up to in a minute. Put the hose on just to direct the heat, and that is toasty warm coming out of there, and that has already risen up to nearly 30 degrees, 29, 28, going up to 30 degrees, and that's been running just for 2 minutes on its first. The temperature's still rising. It's lovely and warm now. There's still obviously the exhaust fumes coming up there. That will be vented out underneath the van once you've fitted it. But it's not particularly noisy, and there's certainly no visible fumes or smoke coming up there. As I say, when you are fitting it, you always want to make sure you've got plenty of ventilation and a carbon monoxide alarm. Okay folks, so we'll post the link for this. This came from Amazon. It took about just over a week to come from, I believe it's from China. Pete's ordered it off Amazon. So we'll see how long we'll order another one, because we're all going to get one hopefully in the Monkeys Uncle Dubs Club, so we can all extend our camping season. And then when they're fitted into the van, and we actually come to fitting one in the van, we'll do another video. But this is just a quick rundown to show you how quickly and how warm it does get. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the Monkeys Uncle Dubs Club.